It's time for some upgrades.
Here we go.
I'm going to be replacing the stock exhausts on this 696 for what's in this box. Oh wait, this box. I also looked back on some of my older videos and noticed in every single one of them I'm wearing the same grey hoodie. So I went shopping and I bought this. Much better. But now back to the box. These are the CRT racing exhausts by SC Project. They use them in things like MotoGP. Just look at these things. They're beautiful. Carbon fiber. I know these things are going to be loud.
Alright, so there you have it. SC Project CRT race exhausts on a 696 Ducati. I told you all they were going to be loud. Let me know down in the comments, do you want to see some kind of POV riding video? Insta360, if you're watching this video, please sponsor my channel. Let's work out some way of capturing some nice riding sounds and riding videos of this bike coming down the road. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
You know I got it made.